Okay, so that's a quick unboxing video of the GOTRAX XR ELITE PRO. So let's see that. Yeah. I'm a bit worried because the box is damaged. On this side is not too bad, but on the other side though, it goes up to the frame of the bike. So the box is kind of not that thick for something this value. But still needs to be well packaged anyway. Okay, so first feeling right off the bat, aluminum still, like, it feels sturdy, it feels like good quality. Tires feels Fisher Price, like even if it's inflatable tires, it really feels like cheap plastic tires, like not even like kids bike, cheaper than that. So I guess I'll have to replace them pretty soon, but yeah. Okay, so they say you have to push this part here down so you can, yeah, that's it, and then click right away. And this really, it felt thick. It felt like good quality. It doesn't feel like cheap or like cheap feeling aluminum, like super thin or something. No, not at all. Like, feels good. So that's my dog. That's my dogs actually. Okay, so okay, let me do some unwrapping. I'll be back. Okay, now sorry for that. Assembling your scooter. Okay. Oh, power adapter. Charger. And you know what? The information I couldn't find on the internet is how many watt this thing consumes. I did the translation from amp to volt to get the okay, so yeah, so it's 42, it's not 36, so 42 volt to amp, and I did the calculation. It was something like 56 watt if I remember well. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but if I remember well, it was 56 watts. So the good thing with that is with any kind of car inverter, like even the cheap one, I could recharge this no problem. So that's a good thing for me, even if I'm a truck driver, so my inverter is like 3000 watts, so it shouldn't be a problem. But let's say I want to bring it camping with my own car or something, I don't need to have like a 1000 watt inverter to be able to charge this in the car while driving to camping, or you know what I mean. So that's not bad. Anyway, it's like 6 hour charging that, so but over the night, let's say, I could charge this. Okay, that's the air adapter for the fuel, because it's there and it's kind of hard to reach, so they supplied this adapter and the screws for the steering wheel and one Allen key. So Obviously, I opened the box the wrong way again. So oops, sorry for that. Okay, so no problem, I accept that. As long as you understand what I'm saying. Más o menos. Okay. Not sure I did that too much. Oh. Okay. Okay, so oh. There's a connector. Let's go with this one here. And these need to be connected together. But I can't do it with one hand, so hold on. Okay. And the good thing is it slides right in. Yeah, the gap was about the same as this washer ring there. So you kind of have to push hard on the steering to be able to get those key aligned there. But about that, it's about it. Okay, so screws are done. Now, brake system. So basically, you pull this and then you pass the cable by this hole there, and then you put the anchor into that hole. Again, I will need my two hands. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so I end up pulling real hard on the brake line. And it's kind of impossible to pass it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the same Allen key and loose up the brake here, and then adjust the line and retight this as much as I can. That should do it. should. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So now I have some loose. Should be able to. Yeah, that's it. Okay. I'm gonna take something and just adjust that again. That should do it. Okay, so assembling is done. So 3 seconds to power on, 3 seconds to power off. That, and then this is P2. That's right here. Yeah, P2, P1. I guess it's speed mode. And then 1, 2. No. Okay, so that's it. Basic, simple, stupid. And good thing though that I didn't know. Sorry for that, shaking. So as soon as you press the brake light, you have a flasher behind, so that's cool. And yeah, basically that's the charging port right here. And this pin, for them who don't know, like, it's a security. So if you want to fold it, you have to pull this first, and then you can pull this, and then you can fold. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll put the second one with test when I test it in the street. So thank you.